So this is my RC circuit designed by AI. This is what ChatGPT gave me. This is the prompt.
Why does the LED get dim once it goes past a certain point? What is the circuit?
And this is the actual hardware of what AI gave me. And right now the power source is on, and right now there is no effect. The LED isn't on. There's nothing happening. Which shows that AI circuit is not effective. So we have the 330 ohm resistor, the blue LED, the same transistor, the 2N3904 NPN. We got the 1 mega ohm resistor. We have the 100K resistor, and we got the 4.7 microfarad capacitor. And right now there is no result.